Saka b yanga yakanzi kudini? B yakanzi iyo the square root of 12. The square root of 12 is multiplying 3, the square root of 60, which is also multiplying the square root of 45. So the square root of 45 yadzoka takaiita in our previous lesson. So let us look at 12. We have two numbers which multiply 12. You see, one of those numbers is a perfect square. So if you think hard, if you are now used to because the practice makes perfect, especially in mathematics. Saka panapa chat this is equal to, place a bracket. Instead of writing 12, we get to the square root of 4 times 3. Why 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is equal to 12. As if 4 is a perfect square, because the square root of 4 is 2. So 12 times. So this is 3 times the square root of. What about 60? Can we think about a perfect square which multiply another number to give us 60? So we have to think a little hard panapa. Like 9 inopinda here mna 60? No, 9 haipinde mna 60, but rather 15 times 4 ndiani. Saka panapa tikati 4 times 15. Ma 15 ari 2 anotipa 30. Kureva kuti ma 15 ari 4 anotipa 60. So kana tikadaro apa tenge tatonaka 20 times, I don't know kana tichifanga kudzokorodza panapa, but it's 9 times 5. Saka taexpressa everything in sad form. Todzika pazasi panapa. So this is going to be, saka rekanimboita nchijamba ma steps. Saka apa ndoda kujamba ma steps. Kujamba kwandoda kuita ndekwekuti ndakuda kutongonyora kuti, alright, let us follow step by step. The square root of 4 times what? The square root of 3. Multiplying 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 15 times what? The square root of 9 times the square root of what? 5. From here, chaita 2 root 3 multiplying 3 times 2 root 15 multiplying 3 root 5. Saka tadaiso multiply my numbers ari ega 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 close multiply the square root of 3 times the square root of 15 times the square root of 5. Pano tichawana 36 multiplying the square root of it's 3 times 15 times 5, of which 5 times 3 and 15. Kureva kuti panapa tiringoda 15 times 15. 0, 1 times 5 and 5, 1 times 1 and 1, 5 times 5 and 25, saka 2 panapa, 5 times 1 and 5, 6, 7. If we add this, it's 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 carry 1. So it's actually 225. Saka here we have 36 multiplying the square root of 225. But the number 225, it's very fishy. Mukatarisisa muchaona kuti it's actually fishy. And for that reason manje, zvazoitika panapa ndezvekuti instead of kumultiply zvese, this is actually genius. Instead of kumultiply zvese, zvaitwa panapa ndezvekuti taona isusu kuti 5 times 3 and 15. Saka panapa takumultiply the square root of 15 times 15. So kana chimultiply the square root of 15 times 15, which is 225 yatawana. Tikatotsvaka the square root of 225 tinowana 15. So the square root of 15 times 15 is equal to what? is equal to 15. Saka we have 36 multiplying 15. What answer do we get there? 36 times 15. The final answer is 540.